really have wanted for public art, which is, I think, the last piece of the puzzle for this campus. We've got some nice things. The Pet Posse sculpture between Whitehurst and the library is a beautiful piece. But there's nothing like what we're about to see here. And I just want to thank Jeanene, who was a classmate of mine here at Oklahoma State, and Ron Hulsey for their generosity in getting this started. I do believe that as a result of this, we're going to start to see fine art all over this campus. But it wouldn't have happened without Jeanene and Ron.
Ron and I have been longtime admirers of Allan Houser, so we are thrilled to be part of this project. The fact that Allan Houser was born in Oklahoma, he was Native American, and he was an educator for much of his life, makes this the perfect choice for the addition to the beauty of the OSU campus. And we are thrilled to be part of, associated with Singing Heart, the sculpture you're going to see today. It's in the perfect location here in Mother's Garden, and we hope that you will love her as much as we do. Thank you.
3, 2, 1, go Pokes!